Alright guys, welcome back. So this time we're going to do something a little bit different. We've decided to do some toy unboxing videos. The first one, my two boys are going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this over to them and let you watch them open a couple of things.
Okay. This one I am going to open now is the Halo Foxtrot. The Halo Foxtrot series.
So I have to go for
let's place it right here. Oh, got it. And
that pieces come out.
And pieces go everywhere.
Yeah, just they do.
So here is the instructions.
Who did you? Who did you get?
Here's the instructions that we have. So
Looks like you got him.
I got the green dude.
So that guy.
I have this dude.
What you wanted this dude?
Sorry.
You want me to put that together while you guys open the other stuff and we can show it to them at the end?
Yeah. So David, that will take a little while to build.
We will show you what this figure looks like at the end.
Yeah.
So now,
Go ahead and do another one.
I'm gonna open the Gross of a Game.
people can't see that.
There we go. Grocery Gang. Which set is this from? Does that have a set? It's from Series 2.
It was Putrid Power or something like that?
Putrid Power.
I've got
Putrid Power.
I got kind of squishy.
Putrid Power.
Wait a second. What do I actually? I'm gonna get David.
I'm doing the checklist.
Here, cut a little slit in those so you can open them.
So that's this one's over here.
In front of the camera, guys. They can't see. You gotta do it in front of the camera.
This one feels like it's squishy. Super squishy.
Who got? Oh,
I got a baseball bat.
the Mets.
I have the mitt.
Who do I get? Oh, I got one of the. Who did I get? Who's this guy from? I can't get him out. Oh, I did get a Clinton, but you can't get them in here.
I got groceries.
So let's see, David, you got
I got the squishy one.
you got the baseball mitt, right?
The dirty baseball mitt.
So
Green.
wow, there's so many of these. Greasy Mitt. You got Greasy Mitt.
I got greasy mitt.
I've heard of that name
Show it to
before.
them. Show it to the people.
Greasy mitt.
Show them.
Here's
There
greasy
you go.
mitt. Greasy mitt.
He's a Met
Very
that's
greasy.
greasy.
Already showed them.
This guy's like.
I mean, he's kind of squishy.
This
He
guy's
is.
like.
That's what I felt when I was over the bag.
I found
Let's
something
put him right
squishy.
here.
How'd it work?
That's what I do.
Who did I get?
Who did you get?
That's who I got.
Here, let's see who you got. Let's take a look. Looks like a. Is it a toaster?
Yeah.
What is it?
Looks like a toaster.
Looks like a toaster.
Maybe just check on the checklist.
Okay, so let's see who we got.
I'll probably give us a clue what it is.
Toaster. Oh, that's a radio. You got Radio Wreck.
So
Radio Wreck is who that one is.
that's
That
why
one looks like a toaster.
Nice. He's mushy like the other one.
So I got another one.
You got another one?
Yeah.
All right.
No.
Let David open one.
Yeah.
I got the Roblox Series 1 unboxing. Because there's one.
Oh, you wasn't watching it.
I got
Construction note.
construction name. Somebody.
Here you go.
Construction somebody.
So you're gonna set to the side so Mom can build them.
No, I can build them.
Okay.
He's easy. Pretty hard.
Here's a guy with a pickaxe. Great.
There you go.
Come on.
Come on,
I'm
kids.
moving backwards.
Boom!
Had an accident.
I had an accident. But that is okay. He's a mine now.
Mine.
I just put it like that. He's an accident.
This is my miner. Mine.
There he is.
Mine.
Mine. And set him down here in front.
Yeah. And
Oop.
or not.
Let's see if we can get him to stand up here.
So,
Please.
Maybe.
He'll have to sit down. Maybe you could put him sitting down.
Something's weird. Here we go. Let's just set him down. There we go. We'll do that.
Oh, I dropped him.
I'm gonna open my second grocery gang pack.
I'm not.
So,
There we go. And that is also from Series 2. Is that right?
yeah.
Okay.
No, there's 2 figures in it. It says 2 groceries.
So, I've got these. Mom is a tail strip in.
And at the end, we will be opening a special Minecraft festive bottom patch.
Yeah, so.
Or pack, I mean.
Yeah.
It's very festive.
It looks like.
So the Roblox guy also comes with this little box here.
Cinnamon's box.
Oop. Totally can't see him at all.
Yeah.
There we go.
Cinnamon box.
On the box.
Your bags are ready to open there, right in front of the Roblox guy.
Yeah.
They
So
are.
let's get this.
Let me grab the other one.
There we
So
go.
let's see. So let's see who we have. We have a lobster.
Oh,
You
A
have a
very
lobster.
dirty lobster.
who do I get?
Alright, let's see what the dirty lobster's name is.
Oh, I got.
That is Rotten Lobster.
I got
Rotten
a bubble
lobster.
blower. I got a bubble blower.
Rotten lobster.
What is this? Yeah. I got.
There you go.
What is this guy's name?
So go ahead and set your... Let's take a look at him.
What is this guy's name?
No, please stand up. I would
His
like you
name
to stand up.
is...
Lobster.
See? There he is.
Yeah.
There we go. And his name is... I have no idea.
His name is not really. I have no idea.
It's not really no.
It's not.
You got a lobster today. We didn't get a secret code.
That is Grubby Scrubby. So he's like a scrub brush. It like scrubs of like drink containers and things.
I thought it looked like a bubble blower.
Yeah, it does.
And if you
So,
use it the right way, you can
Now we only have nothing else.
Minecraft.
So
we have our special
It's time
Minecraft
to-
bottom pack.
So, let me try to
Wait.
deassemble this.
This
This is got
our
this.
special bottom pack, which is the final box.
Yep, it's the final box. It has a bunch of stuff in it.
That's why we
I'll
put
help you guys
it
open
as
this
the
up.
final.
And
And
it's
then
a
you can show
final.
them the figures.
It's a final thing. So yeah, it's gonna be really cool. And yeah, we didn't have that much stuff. So yeah.
Okay, it's a good
While-
start.
While you're waiting for Dad, you can show him your Halo guy because he's now
Here
put together.
is the Halo
Put it
green
up by the Roblox
gun.
lady so they can see it.
Here is the
But they still
green
can't see that. Here you go.
Halo
Right back
guy with the gun.
So
Put him right here.
we bought all kinds
Work
of
for everything.
toys, and all of them just play with.
He's gonna shoot
Sure.
that guy.
Take
He's shooting.
favorites.
He's shooting our nasty bin. Shooting him.
So and shoot nasty.
That's one of the clean ones. Clean.
That's gonna be the clean team one.
Which one's your favorite so far?
My favorite is this.
My favorite
Halo guy?
so far is this dude, squishy guy.
Alright, guys, here's your Minecraft stuff. You want to start talking about those?
Here is the door with no house to it.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much just like walking into nothing.
So
Walking
we
into nothing.
here's a festive block,
Christmas block or
a Christmas block that we have. It's really cool. It's just really cool.
Kind of looks like a present. Maybe your Minecraft guy has got a present for Christmas.
hey present.
Yeah.
If you put it right
And speaking of presents, put this on the hill. It's
there. A Christmas tree.
Yeah. So we got the
Here is the dirt with snow. Dirt
Oh.
with snow.
decorated.
Decorated tree.
Let me say.
You do this. Decorated tree.
This here's the Christmas bed. It's just a Christmas bed.
Here is the gingerbread creeper. Gingerbread creeper.
Looks. I gotta go. And
He looks very yummy, but also will explode. He's got a creeper face.
Yeah. I've got Steve with golden pickaxe.
He's
And-
Steve with a parka.
And a coat on it with that on. So
We've got
that's good.
a reindeer.
Now they can see.
Yep, it says that he is Prancer.
Reindeer. Prancer the reindeer.
Don't get too close to the camera, guys, and they're not going to be able to see.
It
We've
says
got-
that is an evil elf.
Evil elf.
Evil elf.
And evil eyes too.
Yes. Can you hand me the Alex?
And we have
Oh, we had an accident.
Accident.
we already did that.
Here is Alex.
Says she's Alex with a sweater.
Oh, sweater. Okay, that is this one.
That's a Yeti.
I got a Yeti. Snow monster.
Woo.
Yeti.
So
And the Christmas tree, which we already saw.
that is the end.
front.
So let's pick favorites.
My favorite was still the Halo guy.
So my favorites. I'm really obsessed with this guy, but it has to be. It's really hard choice because I like all of these. This dude.
Which one is it? You can't see it. You're kind of off camera.
The Steve.
Oh, Steve with the parka.
Steve with the
Alright.
parka.
So
Steve with the parka.
I hope you liked this video. If you
Please
did,
leave a link and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Close enough.
well,
Are you guys
thank
done?
you for watching. Bye.
Bye, guys. Alright, guys. That was the first go-round of unboxing videos. We'll hopefully have some adult ones that we're going to do as well coming soon in the future. So keep an eye out for those. We've also going to be starting some mobile content sometime soon. And, of course, we'll have whatever I happen to be playing at the time streams. So, alright, guys. I appreciate you coming by. We'll see you next time.